Well, with mintnft.today, it is much simpler than you thought it would be. Mintnft.today allows you to mint your own NFTs on the Polygon blockchain without paying any gas fee, without paying any transaction fee. It's literally gas free, and that's thanks to what mintnft.today has chosen to do. By the way, this video isn't sponsored by anybody. I just found this amazing site for beginners to start going to Web3 and start minting their own NFTs, and I thought I'll just show you a tutorial of how to use it. So first, head over to mintnft.today, and what you want to do is when you go into this page, you click mint your NFT. And also we are minting it on the Polygon blockchain. Just for this demo, we will go over the comparisons of different blockchains in another video. But anyways, after you clicked mint your NFT, you will have to connect your wallet. So you will need a wallet which is connected to the Polygon blockchain, and we recommend you to install MetaMask because we're going to be using MetaMask for this demo, and MetaMask is sort of like the standard for wallets on Ethereum. But anyways, let's after we have MetaMask, let's click MetaMask, and then it will direct us to a screen that MetaMask will pop up. So let's wait for this, and as you can see, you can choose which account you have. You probably just have one account, so I'm just going to actually just use my dev account. Connect, and basically what happened just now is that your MetaMask wallet is connected with this site, and it can start minting your NFT. So let's sign it. Basically what this does is, because MetaMask knows your private key, and your private key is used to sign transactions. So as you can see, we are connected to this site. They allows only a single mint or batch mint. So single mint is just basically like a ERC 721. Batch mint's the ERC 1155. We'll go over that in a future video. But anyways, let's just do a single mint for this demo. Continue, and then let's choose an ERC 721. They actually explained it to us. ERC 721 is an NFT minted, which is a unique NFT, and it can be only owned by one wallet. But ERC 1155 allows the NFT to be owned by multiple wallets. So depending on what you like, choose whichever of the standards which you want to use. But for my example, I'm going to use ERC 721. Let's click connect, continue, and then you want to mint a soulbound transferable. So it just basically depends of whether you want your NFT to be sent, to be able to be transferred from one wallet address to another wallet address, like from one MetaMask to another MetaMask. But in this case, I'm just going to be doing transferable. Let's continue, and yes, we are going to mint on the Polygon mainnet. Again, in a future video, we are going to cover what are blockchains and the differences between blockchains. So let's click continue, and then we have to sign the transaction. So let's wait for MetaMask. And basically what we have to do is to switch from the Ethereum blockchain to the Polygon blockchain, because by default the Ethereum, basically MetaMask is connected to the Ethereum blockchain. Because we're minting on the Polygon blockchain, we have to swap to the Polygon blockchain on our MetaMask. So let's switch network. It's connected to Polygon, and then let's continue, and over here you can start editing your NFT. And I'm not gonna do it right now, but it's gonna be pretty self-explanatory from here. Anyways, this is a super easy way of how to mint an NFT for free without any gas on the Polygon blockchain, and it's a great way for beginners to start exploring this Web3 NFT space, as NFTs are recently becoming very big, and there is a lot of opportunity and utility for normal people and developers alike in this space. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something today, and be sure to subscribe to Crypto for Kids for more crypto tutorials. And we are going to host sessions around Hong Kong teaching kids all about crypto, Web3, and the immense potentials that we and they will possibly have in this amazing Web3 space. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.